Our India is 7th largest country in the world with a total area 32,87,263 square kilometers. From it, India covers almost 12.5% of the major flood-prone areas of the country, as per the Geological Survey of India. Every year, flood is the most common disaster in India, which causes immense loss of the country's property and many lives. Actually, flood is a state of higher water level along with river channel or on coast leading to flooding of land that is not normally submerged. In India, floods are the most commonly occurring natural disasters due to irregularity of the country's monsoon climate. As a result, there is very heavy discharge from rivers during the period causing widespread floods. Flood comes many areas in India, but major flood areas are mainly caused in Ganges, Brahmaputra, Meghna basin, which carries 60% of the total river flow of the country. Due to these cases, flood comes and causes massive loss of the country. Many of people loses their lives, loses their houses. That's not end. After flood or when this disaster calms down a bit, it gives vast tensions. That how to clear roads, how to manage the wastes which come along with flood water, how to save the lives who lost their houses during this condition, and many more. Waste management after flood while in rural areas, it's a very big deal to government and affected people also. So I am going to explain my opinion on how to manage the waste in rural areas. Actually, waste means unwanted or unusable materials. Heavy and messy wastes can cause pollution, deadly diseases and many harms. There are two types of waste, solid waste and liquid waste. From these, most waste in rural areas are organic with little inorganic material. According to me, most of our India's villages or rural areas affected by flood at the time of monsoon season. So before monsoon season, through government support, very big thick plastic sheets with a little bit of anchor-like thrown rough surface should be laid out in that areas. Due to this, when flood comes and then water goes, the solid material waste will suppress and stick to that anchor thrown like rough surface. And it's easy to take and place it in another areas, these plastic sheets. Many uplands in rural areas of India is under agricultural purposes. So it's more benefit to bury the organic matters like green waste, food soiled paper, non-hazardous wood waste, green waste, pruning waste, dead pig, birds or other animals in the crop field or agricultural land. And after some days, these will increase the quality of soils for crops. For other inorganic waste like plastics with other kind of metals, those are reusable. We can reuse it for different purposes. Those are not possible to reuse. It's good to burn those garbages instead of placed somewhere by gathering it. Liquid waste like wastewater, household liquid waste, human and animal excreta, cooking oil, fats, grease. But in flood-prone areas, extract wastewater from that area is a major issue. Vacuum truck is the best equipped storage tank on a vehicle to quickly extract the wastewater. The vacuum truck pump lowered into the pit to suck the sludge up with wastewater and out into the storage tank. This sludge can be easily go to suitable disposal site. At least one vacuum truck should be present in each village of India. In each flood-prone areas, a very big pit or well should be dug with 2 chambers by that area's head authorities. And between 2 chambers, a water filter will fix. Due to a very big hole, it's easy to transfer wastewater into it through big pipes, or automatically water comes to the very big hole's first chamber. After some time, the other was lowered down and then the water filter gate will open. The water will purely filtrate and transfer to next chamber. That water can be used by locals or it can be again transported to nearest river. The vacuum truck is not possible to transport it to every area, so this method is best for all areas. The head authority or the officer of that area should take responsibility to do that work. Lastly, we should be aware about our country's Swachhata. Only by being self-aware will others be able to function with us in our work. Dhanyavad. It's our aim to tell others very proudly in future that Swachhata is the symbol of our Hindustan. Jai Hind.